Bagalkot. Mathematics class of standard 7th, session 12. Now we are there in the chapter of fractions and decimals. Already we have come across the exercise 2.1. Now the next topic is multiplication of fractions. We will see now how to multiply the fraction by fraction, or before that fraction by a whole number. Okay, multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. By a whole number. By a whole number. See, multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Suppose, see, 3 by 5 is a fraction and into 4 is a whole number. How to multiply? Just numerator to numerator. Here denominator, no denominator. That means it is 1. Understood that it is 1. So 3 4s are 12. 5 1s are 5. This is what? Method of multiplying fraction by a whole number. Suppose in the figure I am going to show you. See here. Okay. These are the two figures. In this, see. This is shaded part. How can you write the fraction for this shaded part? This is nothing but 1 by 4. What is this? 1 by 4. Then total, when we add this, how many 1 by 4 are there? 2 1 by 4. That means 1 by 4 into 2. 1 by 4 into 2. Fraction by a whole number. Fraction by a whole number. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. This is 1 by 2. Suppose I add these is equal to, how it will come? In 1 only. See here. See, these two are now shaded. What is the fraction for this? 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 1 by 2. See here. So very easily we can write 1 by 4, 1 by 4. How many 1 by 4? 2 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 1 by 2. Here see, answer is 1 by 2. So this is what? Multiplication of fraction by a whole number by pictorial method. By pictures I just showed you. Even with the numbers also you can learn very easily. See, some more examples I want to take for that. Find 2 by 7 into 3. See, 2 by 7 into 3. Numerator to numerator. Here nothing is there means 1 we have to imagine. 2 3s are 6. 7 1s are 7. 6 by 7. That is fraction by a whole number. Then 9 by 7 into 6. Into 6. 9 6s are 54. 7 1s are 7. Fraction by a whole number. So then next comes the same way we can solve the so many problems, that is fraction and whole number. Just numerator to numerator and denominator with 1 we have to multiply and keep. This is what the method. Then in the next comes, the next point is, that is fraction as an operator of. Fraction as an operator of. As an operator of. In the mathematics we are using of. Of represents the multiplication. Of represents the multiplication. So such 2-3 problems we will see now. Suppose 1 by 2 of 10. 1 by 2 of 10. 1 by 2 of 10. Of represents the multiplication. 1 by 2 into 10. 2 ones are 2 fives are, that is 5. Suppose there are 10 biscuits. Half of the biscuits I ate. Half of the biscuits means 5. There are 10 biscuits. Half of the biscuits I ate means 5 biscuits I ate. Of represents the multiplication. Remember, very important. Of means multiplication. Okay. Then the same way, 2 by 5 of 25. 5 ones are 5 fives are. So 2 fives are 10. If there is cancellation possible, you have to do the cancellation. Otherwise, you have to multiply and keep. Previous method, what it is, whole number by a fraction. Like that, you have to multiply and keep. If the cancellation is not possible, if the cancellation is possible, first you have to cancel them and then you have to multiply and keep. Or here one more step, I think I skipped it. See here, of means what? Multiplication. 2 by 5. Of means into 25. 5 ones are, 5 fives are, 5 twos are 10. So here of is an operator. What operator it is? Of is an operator that is equal to multiplication. Of is equal to multiplication. This is what the thing you have to learn here. Then the next, that is exercise 2.2. I am going to solve. Exercise 2.2. 2.2 part 1 it is. Because the exercise is big, I am making 2 parts in this. Okay. First, second main I will complete. If possible, third main also. Then 4, 5, 6, 7 in the next part. Now, first main, which of the drawings A to D show the following? See here, first one. Which of the drawings A to, which of the drawings A to D show the first one 2 into 1 by 5. Here so many, how many? A, B, C, D, 4 figures are given. Which one show the 2 into 1 by 5? That is, I think D. 1 by 5 you see, which one it is? That is, answer is D. That means you have to draw here. You have to draw that. This is shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is shaded. See here. 1 by 5 into 2. This is 1 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total parts 5. In that 1 is shaded. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. How many 1 by 5? 2 into 1 by 5. This is what the answer. Okay. This is what option it is? D. This is D. The same way you have to draw for the all other. Second one, 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 is B. What is that B? B is 2 into 1 by 2 is B. B is like this it is. Draw them neatly. See, this is shaded and this is shaded. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. How many 1 by 2? 2, 1 by 2. So like this you have to draw the figure also and the option also. Third one, 3 into 2 by 3. 3 into 2 by 3. Answer I am giving, you have to draw here. Then fourth one, that is 3 into 1 by 4. 3 into 1 by 4. that is A. 3 into 1 by 4, that is A. C, I think, no? 2 by 3 is A. This is A. 2 by 3 is A. This is A. And 1 by 4 is C. So you have to draw the figures for these two. Draw the figures very neatly. Okay. Now the second main. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. First one. 1 by 5. Which is 1 by 5? See this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this, one part is shaded. One part is shaded. Like this, how many are there? 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, here second one is shaded. No problem, anyhow one is shaded. Second one is shaded. Okay. Then in the third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this third one is shaded. So this is equal to 5. Here see, this is shaded, this is shaded, this is shaded. Okay. Now better I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, this is shaded, this is shaded, and this is shaded. So this is 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. How many 1 by 5? 3. 1 by 5 or 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1 by 5. Okay. This is 1 by 5. This is 1 by 5. This is 1 by 5. All together, how it is? 3 into 1 by 5. This is nothing but, this is what? 3 by 5. Okay, 3 into 1 by 5 is 3 by 5. Like this you have to do the remaining 2. 2 into 1 by 3 is there. 3 into 3 by 4 is there. You have to do the second and third. Second and third you have to do the same way. You have to do neatly in the fair note only. Exercise you have to take in the fair note only. This is second main. Now the third main. Third main is multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. Multiply and reduce. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. And convert into a mixed fraction. Okay. First one. 7 into 3 by 5. 7 3s are 21 by 5. How to convert into mixed fraction? See, 21 divided by 5. 21 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. Here remainder. Quotient will be integer. 4 integer 1 by 5. This is 4 integer 1 by 5. Then second one. 4 into 1 by 3. 4 into 1 by 3. This is 4 by 3. The answer is 1 integer 1 by 3. Then the third one is 2 into 6 by 7. 2 into 6 by 7. 2 6 are 12 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 1 integer 5 by 7. You divide and get these answers if you don't know. Fourth one, 5 into 2 by 9. 5 into 2 by 9. 5 twos are 10 by 9. 1 integer 1 by 9. Then fifth one, 2 by 3 into 4. 2 by 3 into 4. 2 fours are 8 by 3. 3 twos are 6. 2 integer 2 by 3. Next 5 by 2 into 6. See here, 5 by 2 into 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are 5 threes are 15 is the answer. Seventh one, 11 into 4 by 7. 11 into 4 by 7. 44 by 7. Then that is 7 6 is 42. 6 integer 2 by 7. Next, eighth one, 20 into 4 by 5. 20 into 4 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Answer is 16. Next, ninth one, 13 into 1 by 3. 13 into 1 by 3. 13 by 3. 4 integer 1 by 3 is the answer. 10th one is 15 into 3 by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are 3 threes are 9 is the answer. So this is what all the 10 problems I solved in the third one. 4, 5, 6, 7 in the part 2 I'll do. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.